In 2023, a compelling study titled Understanding Risk-Taking Behaviours Through the Practice-Oriented Risk Habitus and Multiple Capital Model, PHAC, a case study of disaster-affected farmers was conducted by Kien Nguyen-Trung from BehaviourWorks Australia, Steve Matthewman from the University of Auckland, and Shinya Uekusa from University of Canterbury. This research aimed to explore the interplay between individual agency and social structures in shaping risk-taking behavior among farmers in disaster-prone areas. The researchers developed the PHAC model, drawing on Bourdieu's theory of practice. This model was used to understand the risk-taking practices of Vietnamese farmers in the face of disasters, focusing on a rural commune in the Vietnamese Mekong Delta, known for its vulnerability to disasters and climate-induced risks. The study found that these farmers have developed a risk habitus, drawing on multiple capitals suitable for their agricultural production. These capitals include natural, built, economic, social, cultural, and political resources, which combine to shape farmers' risk perception and influence their decision-making. For instance, economic capital provided farmers with a compelling incentive to take risks, while social capital could act as a buffer against risk. The PHAC model conceptualizes P, which refers to risk-oriented individual behaviors or collective practices, as central to the model. P is governed by, and also, produces, risk habitus and capital deployment. The researchers view risk habitus as a set of durable organizing principles of thought and action that are used to deal with risk in the agricultural field. To simplify, think of habitus as a cassette on a bicycle that contains a set of sprockets to aid individuals in thinking, acting, and adapting to emerging environmental situations. Each sprocket corresponds to a gear in capital deployment, with its cogs representing the types and amount of available capital for use. Just like how a cyclist needs to shift gears to achieve a desired level of performance, individuals may need to shift from one gear to another in response to changes in their goals and motivations. This study offers a novel perspective on risk-taking behavior and sheds light on how farmers in disaster-prone areas make decisions about risk. By taking into account the interplay between agency and social structures, the researchers hope to contribute to a better understanding of risk-taking practices and inform policy and practice aimed at reducing vulnerability and building resilience in vulnerable communities.